So when what are your best rebuttals for what's it called? I don't have enough damage. Obviously, I'm going to say, well, I can prove that with this, and I can prove that with my homeowners pictures, which is right around the corner. But
Right.
do you have anything else to add to it?
Yeah, well, the first thing is don't ever say to a customer, well, I can prove that there
Yeah.
is. Because
Well,
that's,
yeah, I show them the paper. Is that wrong to show them the paper that says it has damage? Is that wrong of me to do that?
no, but here's what I would do is you just want to make it like laid back conversational. The first thing is
Sure.
you need to have the energy like slow
Yes.
way down and just be like,
Yeah,
yeah, be like,
I am very energetic.
okay, so it's like slow way down and be like, Mrs. Jones,
Sure.
I can totally understand why you'd feel that there might not be damage because on your car it's super obvious, right? Like if your car gets hit by hail, pretty obvious. It's right at eye level, you can see it. But most people after a storm, they look up at their roof and they're like, "Looks fine to me," and you don't see any
Yeah.
leaks. Everything's fine. So,
Yeah.
but the fact is, I've actually been doing inspections here all month, and I've taken a look at Mike and Brenda's house, Tim and Louise's house, Ella and James's house, and they've actually all had damage. I have found a couple that didn't have damage, but usually those were roofs that were like pretty brand new. Sometimes people get
That's
missed, but I always say better safe than sorry. It's totally up to you, but if it were my house, I'd want to just kind of have the peace of mind. And I'm not going to go up there and tell you you have damage if you don't. Like, if there's no damage up there, I'm on my merry way because there's nothing for me to do. I don't sell roofs, I just do insurance claims. So, like, if there's no damage, there's nothing for us to do. You have peace of mind, we move on. But if you do have damage, just like a lot of the neighbors here, I'll take pictures, come down, show you what's going on up there, and then I'll let you know what to do next. So at 4
yeah,
o'clock or 5:30 work better for you on Tuesday?
that's great. That's good. Becca, that is great.